Clip your nails. Dude, go get
And who says that dieters really have the healthy way of living? You are unhealthy to not eat this delicious cake.
You want to be called Jacqueline?
One of the cool things also is it doesn't have to be a beautifully fancy cake. It really looks pretty just all, strewn out like this.
Anybody else can use it, but Jack.
Yeah, no Jack, no Jack.
I like dark chocolate a little bit better, but
Jack can't.
it's pretty. Once it goes into the fridge, it won't turn white. Some people get afraid of their chocolate turning white, but it won't.
Yes, you can.
We're in Florida. It barely gets
You all dry?
cool enough.
Good.
Okay, this is going to have to go to the kids. They're going to have to eat this because I'm not putting any more on.
Oh, it's too bad too.
Yeah. Darn. Okay, so that's it for the semi-sweet. Here, somebody's going to eat that.
Oh, get on your back. Okay.
Take some.
I don't know if I really want to put white chocolate. I think we're done. We're just going to leave it like this. My antique plate. Clean up your sides so you don't look like a total slob. And there you go. That is a delicious cake from my kitchen. Thanks.
You have been watching YouTube for the last 79 seconds.